So now we'll see this problem here, figure number 23. Here it is written third angle projection method. So it means this is top view, this is front view. The length of this problem is 50 plus 15, 65 plus 25, that is 90, and this is 24. So it is 114. So total length is 114 and the height is 48. The width is also 48 in top view. 12 plus 24 plus 12. So 48. So let us start this problem. Draw a line. Then the length is 114. So you can draw this 114 at 30 degrees to this. Then this is 48 at 30 degrees. The height is also 48. You can complete this box. So it is it is 114 by 48 by 48. So this is the box. Let us start. Now this part is round and this part is located from the top view. It is 49 from this side. So 24 plus 25 somewhere else. It is 49, so it will be somewhere else here, and can draw a line from this parallel to this faint line, so that will be like this. So it is located here. It is from both sides, it is 12. This side also 12, so 12 means you can use this 12 and 12. So this is the part. So you can locate this here. So it is here also. Then you can draw a line parallel to this from here. So it is here. So this part is here. This is 12. This is also 12. This is 49. Why? Because this is 25. This is 24. So it is 49. And from both sides it is 12. So this is the rhombus in which you can find this as circular part. So you can rub this box which is drawn earlier to avoid the confusion. So this is the rhombus in which we want to draw the semicircle. So these are the two 120 degrees angle where from you can join the midpoints of opposite line. From here you can join this. From here you can join this. So this is the center which is of use because it is round. Take this as center, this much as radius. You can join it. Take this as center, this much as radius. You can. So this is what is straight. Now the same round must be here also. So we have used two centers, this one and this one. This part won't be visible, so you can extend this center along this same line by 24 because the width is 24. So extend this center along this same line by 24. So somewhere else it will be here. Take the same radius from here, and you can join this like this. You can draw this, and for completion you can draw a line parallel to this, tangential to this, okay, like this. Okay, so this is what is, you can call it as. Then from here draw a vertical line parallel to this because there is a surface here going downward. Then there is a circle here. In this there is a circle, so this is the central line which is vertical. Then this is the central line which is horizontal. So you have got this center. The diameter of is 24, so it must be 12 on either side. 12, 12, 12 and 12. Draw a rhombus. This line must be parallel to this or this. This line must be parallel to this. This line must be parallel to this. And this line must be again parallel to this. So this is the rhombus. Then this is 120 degrees angle. You can join the centers of opposite line or midpoints of opposite line and take this as center, this much as radius, draw this. Take this as center, this much as radius, you can draw up to this. Then take this as center, this much as radius, you can draw this. You can take this as center and you can complete this like this. So this is what is, oh, it is not like this. You can take this as center. So this is what is the circle inside. This is the rhombus. Then this is 15. So this is 15. Draw a line parallel to this from here. This is also 15. This is a dark line. Then this is 24. So you can mark this as 24. This is 24. This is dark. And this is joined with this. So you can draw a line parallel. Join these 2 points. From here, draw a line parallel to this. Okay. Then these ribs are there, inclined ribs, which are having 12. So from here, 12, this corner, then draw a line parallel to this. Then from 12, here also, draw a line parallel to this and join this. All these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 should be parallel to each other. These lines should be parallel to each other. Okay, then from this corner, draw a vertical line parallel to this one. So this is the solution for the problem number 23, this one. See, mind way, this is 12, which is inside of this box. This is also 12. Then this is, you can draw this rhombus here. Can inscribe this semicircle. Also you can inscribe a circle inside, finding out these two center lines. You can transfer this center used for drawing this by 24, and you can draw this one, draw a line parallel to this, touching to this semicircle, and you can complete this. This is 15, this is 24. So 24, you can draw a line. Then this is again 12, this is again 12. So from 12, from this point, draw a line parallel to this. Then on this corner again get this 12, draw a line parallel to this, join this with this, can get a vertical line. So this is what is solution for problem number 23, this one. Okay, thank you.